Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate guide to creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore the art of integrating outdoor kitchens within the elegant structure of a gazebo. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Gazebo with outdoor kitchen, this combination offers a unique blend of shelter, comfort, and culinary creativity, transforming your backyard into an entertainment oasis. Let's begin by defining this concept. A gazebo with an outdoor kitchen is essentially a freestanding structure, typically octagonal or hexagonal, that houses a fully functional cooking and dining area. It's more than just a grill under a roof, it's a carefully designed space that incorporates countertops, appliances, storage, and often, a dining area, all within the protective embrace of the gazebo structure. This design extends your living space into the outdoors, providing a dedicated area for cooking, dining, and entertaining, regardless of the weather. It's about creating a destination within your landscape, a place where culinary artistry meets the tranquility of nature. Now, why should you consider adding such a feature to your property? The benefits are numerous. First and foremost, it expands your living space. It provides an additional area for entertaining guests, hosting family gatherings, or simply enjoying a quiet meal outdoors. Secondly, it adds value to your home. A well-designed gazebo with an outdoor kitchen is a desirable feature for potential buyers. Thirdly, it enhances your outdoor lifestyle. It encourages you to spend more time outdoors, enjoying the fresh air and the beauty of your surroundings. Finally, it keeps cooking odors and heat outside of your home, especially beneficial during warm weather. Creating a visually appealing space is crucial. Consider the style of your home and landscape, and choose a gazebo design that complements it. The materials you select play a significant role. Natural materials like wood and stone create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while metal and composite materials offer a more contemporary look. Lighting is essential for both ambience and functionality. Incorporate a mix of overhead lighting, task lighting for the cooking area, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features. Furnishings should be comfortable and durable, designed for outdoor use. Consider adding textiles like outdoor rugs and cushions to add color and texture. Plants and greenery can soften the space and create a connection to the surrounding landscape. Equipping your outdoor kitchen with the right appliances and accessories is key. A built-in grill is a must-have, along with a side burner for sauces and side dishes. A refrigerator is essential for keeping food and beverages cold. Countertop space is crucial for food preparation and serving. Consider adding a sink for easy cleanup. Storage solutions, such as cabinets and drawers, will keep your outdoor kitchen organized. Don't forget about comfortable seating and a dining table. Consider adding a beverage center or wine fridge for added convenience. Now, to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear the compilation of the top 10 best gazebo design with outdoor kitchen ideas. 1. Rustic retreat. A wooden gazebo with a stone fireplace, a brick pizza oven, and rustic wooden furniture. 2. Modern minimalist. A sleek metal gazebo with stainless steel appliances, clean lines, and minimalist decor. 3. Tropical oasis. A thatched roof gazebo with bamboo accents, a built-in bar, and vibrant tropical plants. 4. Mediterranean escape. A stucco gazebo with arched openings, terracotta tiles, and wrought iron furniture. 5. Farmhouse charm. A white wooden gazebo with shiplap siding, a farmhouse sink, and vintage-inspired decor. 6. Coastal getaway. A light and airy gazebo with nautical accents, wicker furniture, and ocean-inspired colors. 7. Urban chic. A contemporary gazebo with a rooftop garden, a built-in grill, and stylish outdoor furniture. 8. Classic elegance. A traditional gazebo with ornate details, a stone countertop, and elegant outdoor lighting. 9. Southwestern flair. An adobe-style gazebo with a kiva fireplace, colorful textiles, and desert landscaping. 10. Compact corner kitchen. A smaller gazebo designed for tighter spaces, featuring a grill, a small countertop, and bar seating. In conclusion, a gazebo with an outdoor kitchen is a valuable addition to any home. It offers a unique blend of functionality and style, creating a space where you can cook, dine, and entertain in the beauty of the outdoors. By carefully considering the design, decor, and essential items, you can create an outdoor oasis that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.